Welcome to All Motors, the channel where aviation enthusiasts, technology lovers, and defense fans come together to explore the most advanced machines taking to the skies. Today we are delving into one of the most highly anticipated developments in modern military aviation, the newly confirmed F-47 under the NGAD program. This upcoming sixth-generation stealth fighter represents the pinnacle of U.S. Air Force innovation, pushing the limits of speed, stealth, survivability, and lethality far beyond what we see in today's frontline jets. The F-47 is not just another aircraft, it is a game-changing platform designed to dominate the skies well into the mid-21st century, giving the United States a decisive technological edge over any potential adversary. The NGAD, or Next Generation Air Dominance Program, is the U.S. Air Force's top-secret initiative to create a fighter that outclasses even the F-22 Raptor, the current gold standard for air superiority. The F-47 is expected to be the first operational fighter jet born entirely from this program. While much of its design remains classified, early reports and insider confirmations indicate that it will blend the best of stealth shaping, advanced materials, and next-generation propulsion with artificial intelligence-assisted combat capabilities. Its airframe is believed to be optimized for multi-domain operations, allowing seamless integration with drones, satellites, and ground assets in both offensive and defensive missions. The stealth capability of the F-47 is set to surpass anything in the air today. Designers are incorporating adaptive camouflage and advanced radar-absorbing composites to drastically reduce its radar cross-section, making it nearly invisible to even the most advanced detection systems. This will enable the jet to penetrate heavily defended enemy airspace, conduct strikes, gather intelligence, and return safely without being tracked. The airframe is also likely to feature a tailless design and blended wing-body configuration to further enhance stealth and aerodynamic efficiency. In terms of power, the F-47 will reportedly be equipped with a new adaptive cycle engine capable of switching between high-thrust and fuel-efficient modes automatically, allowing both blistering speed for combat and extended range for long-distance missions. This propulsion system is expected to enable supercruise, sustained supersonic flight without afterburners, at higher speeds than current fighters. There is even speculation that the F-47 may reach near hypersonic performance in bursts, giving it unprecedented reach and tactical flexibility. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the F-47 will be its integration with AI and advanced sensors. The jet is expected to act as both a manned and optionally unmanned platform, meaning it could be piloted directly or fly autonomously in high-risk missions. Its cockpit will likely feature augmented reality displays, helmet-mounted targeting systems, and advanced